How to make your high school private on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your high school private on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy and click on it and then click settings and now go down until you find profile information and click on it and then click on your high school and click this pen here and click edit school, and now all you need to do just click this one and you can make it only for your friends or for you, and then just click save. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe and see you in the next video.